Hello guys, welcome back to channel Planet for Tech. So this is the episode 3 continue. So in the episode 3 we were just started to test the login page, and today in this episode we are going to continue that session again. So let me start the VS Code. So till now we have already understood how we can create the scenario, how we can create the feature, and what are those steps, so how we can define those steps here. So we have already covered this part in step 3. It's in episode 3. So given this is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. So in a given page, what we are doing, we are just going to the particular URL. So that is what we have done in a previous episode. And in the next feature, next step is what I enter the username and password. So here you can see again we are calling the login page enter login detail method. So in this method we have this element available here, this dot username. Here we are using the set value method. So these methods are predefined in a WebDriver IO framework. So test data dot username, here we are getting this username from the test data file. So this is the test data file already we have, and from there it is taking this username and this password. So till this steps we have already done, and now we have to see how we can check the button is clicked or it is going to the dashboard page or not. So this is what I will click on the login button. This is the next step. So here I have clicked. So instead of given, we have to make it then. Now this step we have to execute when we click the button. So I click on the button login. So here you can see login dot click login button. I have created one new method here. So in this method, what I have done, simply I just click on the button element. So this button element is having the particular uh, ID. You can see selectors dot button login. So here you can see for button login we have ID hash button login. So this is coming from the selectors. So this way this is coming here, and when we will click the button login, so definitely it is going to redirect on dashboard page. So for that what we have done, here we are expecting there should be one dashboard page which will have this some particular string. So let's see what that string is. So let me show you first here in this page first, then you can understand better. So after login you can see here we have this dashboard string, it is showing there. So this dashboard we can inspect here you can see the class is what name bar brand. So this class is going to have this particular text. So this thing we have to check in our code. This class selector we have to take, and we have to expect like this class is having this particular dashboard text, then only we can confirm this is a dashboard page, otherwise not. Let me show you. So here what I have done, you can see first of all we created one selectors. So that selectors is what dashboard. This is the key we have used, and this is the class. So this is the CSS selector we have used. You can see here. So this is the class navbar brand. So this selector we have used there dashboard, and after that in the login page what we have done, expect this is the expect method available in WebDriver IO. So you can get all these list of variables and all the list of predefined methods from the official website of the WebDriver IO. Expecting like that string will come, but it is not coming because we have given the wrong string there. So it is failed. Why it is failed? You can see here. So the step is saying like the first step is passed, second step is passed, but the third step is failed. Why the third step is failing? Because you can see login with the username and password, then I click on the login button. So in the login button you can see this name bar, the name bar brand is it should expected result is what dashboard 12121, but what is received dashboard. So this way this is comparing like what we received, that text, that receiving text is dashboard from the page, but here in the test data what we have this one, so that is why it is failing. So just make it correct and you can see it will work proper. Yes, it is passed, you can see here. So for this episode, this much guys, and in the next episode, I'm going to describe you the next feature of webdriverio, how we can test it. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying lots by watching all these things and doing the regular practice. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching.